more in Unity. I haven't. Well, I've been working in Unity, but I haven't been, streaming it. But I'll show you the new updates I have with the flashlight that I've been working on. So let's just go play. Right now, what I have a sound effect, and I have the dimming of the light working. In terms of the intensity of the light, so it slowly decreases. And then when you turn off the flashlight, it starts to increase and gain its battery back. And I'm also working on having the range of the light to, slowly get lower and lower, so it gets harder and harder to see. So I'll just show you that right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there is a flashlight sound. And the number that's on the bottom there, that's the range of the light. It's slowly going down. Let's get the first person. And then you can see over here, both the light intensity and the range are decreasing over time. And as you can see, the flashlight here, it's starting to dim. So that's cool. It's working. So now it's just a matter of just tweaking numbers and things like that. So now you can barely see. You just have to recharge it. The only thing that's happening is when the light intensity reaches its full, the range stays low. It doesn't recharge as well. So that's what I gotta fix right now. So let's go into the code, see why it's doing that. I think why it's doing that is because this is on the wrong line here. Let's see. See if that fixes anything. So let's go back into there. Okay. Now it's just kind of working, but let's see. We just need to do another if statement. Flashlight range is greater than or equal to 30.000f. Then flashlight range equals 30.000f. Curious if let me see. Yeah, it keeps on. making an adjustment. Curious too if this else statement's needed. Let's see. Nope. Which line is this? Okay. Let's just get rid of that else statement. Okay. Is the function really working for both? Okay. I think it's just the fact that this debug is there that it just keeps doing it, but let's see. What other debugs are in this? Ah. Okay. Let's try to make it void. Flashlight range. Let's just copy and paste this in here. That's good, that's good. And then let's just do flashlight range. Then let's do void flashlight intensity. And let's just copy and paste this. Let's just do that. See if that works the same. Okay. Let's see. Do I even need these ones here? Let's see. Let's find out. Oh, yeah. Okay, we do. Don't need that. Maybe you want to keep the debug, but I don't need that for sure. So that's range and intensity. Let me just organize this. There we go. Don't need that. 。 Okay. Let's see. Okay. What else do I need to try to do? Oh yeah, I need to try to make the dim rate. Light recharge constant. It's 1.0 it'll work. Let's find out. Do I have to make it a smaller number? 0.05. Oh. Gotta change it there, not in code. Well. Let me see. Let's make these public. Now I even have more variables to play with. Let's just make sure everything's still working the same. Okay, cool. Light recharge rate. Let's try one for the light diminish rate constant. Let's try 100. Let's try 1,000 just to see what this number really does. I forget. Okay, yeah. So we gotta do a small number to make that go to make the intensity drop faster. Yeah. 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 seems good. Just the recharge rate kind of high. Let's try 0.25 for that. Now it's just a matter of tweaking numbers just to see if what I like. See what I like here. Okay. That's good. Let me save that. Just in case I didn't save that, let's save that here. Let's try flashlight dot light dot enabled false. Let's just try 1. I just want to see if the light will turn off once it gets below intensity of 1. So I'm looking at these numbers at the bottom there, just to wait till it gets to 1. And then when it does, we'll see if the light just turns off. Almost there. Oh, we're almost there. We're close. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Else, try flashlight dot light dot enabled equals true. And let's make this like 1.5, just so we get there quicker. So let's see if that does anything. So I'm expecting what this is happening. As soon as it hits 1.5, the lights get turned off. Okay. I think it's working, but I'm thinking I need to change something. Curious if using that variable instead will get a different kind of effect. Because 4, you had to press F to turn it off again, and then press F again to get it back on. I'm thinking this way, when it goes off and you just press F again, it'll go back on. Yeah. It's working. Cool. Let's get that audio. So now the audio will play to show that the light turned off. Let's see. Let's see if that does it. And we're looking at 1.5. Yep. Cool. It's working. So all we need to do now is just change this variable here. And let's give it actually a variable here. Public float minimum light intensity. And let's throw that in there. Okay. And then in our editor, minimum light intensity, just do 0.1. Okay, so that's working. Save everything again. Let's start commenting some things. Alright. Same with this one. Cool. Okay. I don't need to track time anymore since we're not even doing that. Now what needs to be done? I'm trying to think. So besides GUI, let's see. I think that's it so far, besides the GUI. I'm trying to remember functionality of this light. I guess the next thing I want to try to do, if there's time, is kind of have the intensity and the range kind of match up, or they decrease kind of like this, like equivalent rates. Because right now, like the flashlight intensity reaches its max before the light range does. I'm not too sure that's something like that matters or anything like that. Not too sure. Kind of want to match. Because I'm also trying to think how the GUI will work. Like it has to be good. I'm sorry, it's gonna have to reference one of these numbers. I'm not too sure which one I want it to reference. I'm thinking the range kind of gets too fast at this point, so let's find flashlight range decrease. Let's do 0.85. No, 0.085. Let's see. Did I make it worse? I think I did. Oops. There's that 0.1. Oh man, I'm derpy. My bad. Ooh, no, too much. Too much. 2.2. It was at 0.05, right? Last time? So do I need to make it 0.01? I gotta make it a lot smaller number. Let's see how these numbers match. Okay. Now let's go into code here. I should make a new. No, I'm making a lot of public floats here. Slash increase. Let's go into here. Let's make the increase 0.1. .25. No. 0.075. More numbers. More time messing with numbers. 0.05. That's good. That works. So I'm leaving that as it is. I think that's all I need for right now. Let me see. Let's see. Thought I wanted to do something else. I'm trying to think. No. I guess actually everything else is pretty good. So I'm going to stop the stream here. What I'm thinking I want to do next, I want to see if they have any free flashlight models that I can download. And then I want to make it so you can pick up the object in the environment and just start using it. And things like that. So that's what's going to be next time. I'll look into that tonight when I get back from work. So that's going to be it. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time.